Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're going to be making card 6 of today's 12 cards of Christmas. We're going to be using some real red here along with some Pool Party, and we're going to put the base is Pool Party and then adding some real red. I've got this piece from a little bit of festive designer series paper. This is going to be quick card. So then I already have all of that done. I just have to add the inside with a nice Christmas greeting. I'm using the Dear Santa stamp set to put this greeting on, and then also I'm going to use the little girl that I have already stamped and colored, and she's eating a plate of cookies. It's so cute. So for a little backdrop, rather than putting them on the cookies on the patterned paper, I went ahead and I have a red circle, real red cardstock circle, and we cut that and die cut that out. And now it's going to give her a nice background to be on. And we're going to pop her up as well with some dimensionals. If you did want to make a card like this yourself, you can get any of the items on my online shop, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, or you can always go to my blog, BeautyandtheStamper.com, and it'll have my information there as well. So we're going to pop her up, so that's double popped up. We're going to get a piece of the white ribbon. Looks like we're going to grab 2 of those. And we're just going to take those 2, tie them right together in just a knot. And now we've got this real pretty ribbon, if you will. Not necessarily a bow, but it does give some character. We're going to cut the edges at an angle, and we are almost done. This is like such an easy card, and you guys have seen I've made a few cards using all of the same, the Little Bit Festive and the Dear Santa, and they are just some of the cutest cards. These came from a craft retreat that I was on, and it was by one of the leaders of my team, Lori. And if you'd like to be on our team, feel free to join. Again, go to BeautyandtheStamper.com for more information. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.